Is the perfect bushcraft knife a myth? What if you only have $150 to spend? Most budget knife lists still recommend blades over $200. That's not budget, that's a compromise. We defined a real budget as under $150. Stop overpaying for a name stamped on a blade. The real performance secrets are in the grind and the geometry. Today, I'm breaking down 7 Amazon available knives that outperform others costing twice as much. The number 1 pick is a game changer. Number 7, Morakniv Companion Spark. Kicking off our countdown is a knife that shatters the myth that budget gear has to be boring. The Morakniv Companion Spark isn't just a blade. It's your first line of defense in a survival situation, ingeniously packaged for under $40. What sets this tool apart is the brilliant integration of a full-size ferrocerium rod that screws directly into the polymer handle. This means your fire starter is permanently attached, never lost in the bottom of your pack when a sudden downpour hits. The knife itself features Mora's legendary Scandi Ground Sandvik 12C27 stainless steel blade, razor sharp out of the box and renowned for its easy maintenance. For our extreme test, we'll push this integrated system to its limits. Can the handle withstand the shock of repeated battening without compromising the fire rod's thread? The true genius is in its duality. After processing firewood, you won't need to fumble for a separate kit. The 90-degree spine is right there, ready to scrape a shower of sparks onto your tinder. It's a masterclass in practical, no-frills design that forces us to rethink what an entry-level survival knife can be. Number 6, Cold Steel SRK. Stepping into number 6 is a blade forged from a legacy of hard use. The Cold Steel SRK, or survival rescue knife. This isn't a delicate bushcraft purist tool. It's a rugged, no-nonsense implement with a pedigree linked to military and survival training. Its reputation for toughness is built on a simple, robust clip-point design in SK 5-carbon steel, a material chosen for its excellent edge retention and, importantly, its ease of field sharpening with a basic stone. The SRK's geometry is a fascinating compromise. The clip point offers a fine tip for detailed work and penetration, while the substantial blade length and flat grind give it surprising prowess in slicing and light chopping tasks. In our battening gauntlet, we're looking to see if this more tactical geometry can efficiently split with like a dedicated wedge, or if it will struggle and bind. The textured craton handle promises a secure grip in all conditions, which will be crucial when our hands are tired and slick. The SRK represents a different philosophy: raw, adaptable utility over specialized craftsmanship. It asks the viewer, do you want a knife made for the wilderness or one built to survive anything, anywhere? Number 5, B.O.B Fieldcraft. This American-made blade is a favorite among enthusiasts who value control and precision as much as durability. Crafted from 154 cm stainless steel, it offers a fantastic blend of corrosion resistance and edge stability, a step up from many budget carbon steels. The magic, however, is in its ergonomics. The contoured micarta handle fits the hand like a glove, providing immediate, intuitive control for delicate carving tasks. This will be its proving ground in our test. Can that celebrated balance translate to effortless feather sticks and notches after the violence of battening? The Scandi grind is executed to a high standard, promising aggressive wood bite. But the Fieldcraft is more than a carver. It's a confident, all-around tool. We'll be examining if its refined feel comes at the cost of outright power, or if Tops has managed to create a knife that is both a surgeon's scalpel and a reliable wood processor. For the user who views bushcraft as a craft first, this knife is a compelling argument that premium materials and thoughtful design are worth the investment. Number 4, ESEE 4. The ESEE 4 at number 4 is a beast of a different nature. Its fame is built on a legendary, no-questions-asked lifetime warranty that screams absolute confidence in its construction. This is a knife you buy not just for today, but for a lifetime of hard use. Built from 1095 high-carbon steel with a resilient powder coating, it's a tool designed to be used hard, sharpened easily, and maintained faithfully to prevent rust. The handle, made of virtually indestructible micarta, provides a supremely confident grip that inspires trust during heavy battening. Its flat grind makes it an exceptionally capable slicer for food prep and carving, creating an interesting dynamic for our dual test. The question isn't if it can batten, it absolutely can, but how well it transitions from that heavy impact work to the finesse of fine carving. Will the flat grind outperform the Scandies in making clean, controlled shavings? The ESEE 4 embodies a philosophy of resilient simplicity. It foregoes decorative frills for pure, field-proven functionality. It's the knife you strap on when you genuinely don't know what the day will throw at you, offering peace of mind that borders on the unshakable. Number 3. Wright GNS. At first glance, it's a beautiful, traditional-looking Scandi grind. But look closer at the edge, and you'll find a subtle but critical difference, a slight convex or microbevel. This modified Scandi is a point of heated debate among bushcraft purists, but its practical benefits are clear. It adds durability to the fine edge, reduces friction when cutting, and can make field sharpening less finicky than a true zero-ground Scandi. Made from O1 tool steel, it's a carver's paradise, offering a wicked sharp edge that holds well through organic materials. The rounded, hand-filling micarta handle is designed for long, comfortable carving sessions. For our test, the intrigue is immense. Will this controversial edge geometry glide through wood during carving more smoothly than its pure Scandi competitors? And how will that reinforced edge hold up to the lateral stresses of battening? The Wright GNS represents the thoughtful evolution of tradition, proving that sometimes the most interesting tools live in the nuanced space between established schools of thought. Number 2. Becker Kephart. This is a faithful, modernized reproduction of the iconic design carried by early 20th century woodsman and author Horace Kephart. Its design philosophy is one of graceful, simple utility. The large, sweeping drop-point blade in 1095 carbon steel is primarily a flat grind, making it an exceptionally efficient slicer and food prep tool. The classic walnut handle slabs offer a warm, traditional feel that pure modern synthetics often lack. The challenge for our extreme test is historical versus modern expectations. Kephart's original was a gentle workhorse for camping and woodcraft, not necessarily for processing cords of firewood. Can this heritage design, with its slice-oriented geometry, stand up to the brutal, repetitive battening we're throwing at it? Or will it excel in the carving portion, reminding us that bushcraft is as much about finesse and craft as it is about brute force? This knife is a conversation piece about design legacy, reminding us that sometimes the most effective tools are those born from a lifetime of practical experience rather than a computer simulation. Number 1. Victorinox Venture Pro. This knife wins the top spot not by being the hardest hitter or the purest carver, but by being the most intelligently innovative. Victorinox, the masters of integrated tool design, have rethought the survival knife from the sheath out. The knife itself is a capable, no-nonsense fixed blade in reliable 14C28 and stainless steel. But the star is the sheath system, which incorporates a revolutionary fire-starting blow tube. This isn't a gimmick, it's a functional bellows. By inserting the included ferro rod and blowing through the tube, you can direct a concentrated stream of air onto your tinder, dramatically increasing your chances of igniting a flame in damp conditions. A true game changer. For our test, the Venture Pro represents a wild card. How will its blade perform in the standard batten and carve routine? But more importantly, we'll put that integrated fire system to a real-world wet weather test. Does it work as advertised? In an era of incremental improvements, the Venture Pro offers a genuine leap in practical problem solving, making it our most intriguing and unique pick for the forward-thinking bushcrafter.